Hey there, Tiff here from the Profitable Sports Coach. Here's the truth. If you're a golf coach, sports coach, just like me, who spends 8+ hours on the range, on the field, on the court, and I know exactly how you feel, you're exhausted, your back hurts, your feet hurt, and your income is capped. You can't make any more money because you literally don't have any extra hours to sell. And you've been told that hands-on is the only way. That if you aren't standing there for 60 minutes, you aren't providing any value. But I'm here to tell you that that's just not the case. It's just keeping you broke and burn out. So today I'm here to show you how to sell your expertise, not your presence, and why your clients will actually thank you for it. So let's address the coaching world. Okay, let's look at a standard 60-minute session. So I'm a golf coach and I'm also a tennis coach. Let's be honest what actually happens here. How much of that hour is actually spent teaching? You probably spend 10 minutes chatting. I know I do. With my client, getting in touch with what's happening in their world and where they're at. You spend 30 minutes watching them hitting balls, and you're probably saying, good try again. And if we're lucky in that session, we're probably spending 10 minutes of that pure high level of correction. Now, our client is paying for the full hour, but really, how much of that hour do they really need of your expert advice? When you move to an asynchronous model where they send you a video and you send back a surgical 5-minute analysis, you are giving them the gold without the filler. You aren't cutting corners, you're just cutting the waste of time. Now, I know that you might be thinking like this because I know I have in the past. My clients need me there in person. They like the hands-on approach. And for some, that's true. But think about your best clients. They don't really want your physical presence. They want your eyes. They want you to spot that one thing that they're doing wrong so they can go and practice it. When you provide a remote audit, you are giving them that expert eye exactly when they need it without them having to book a spot 3 weeks in advance. So let's look at how the work smarter, not harder coach approach actually works. Now, if you're like me, you'll probably have an app where you can analyze your client's swing, golf swing, sports swing, whatever sport you are actually coaching. Now, really, when you're looking and analyzing their technique, there's only 1, 2, maybe 3 things maximum that they actually need to be really making sure they get in place. So rather than you spending the whole hour working on that, they could send you a video from their driving range or someone's filmed their particular action of what they're doing. You can analyze that with your app, send back the information that they need with some videos that follow. Now, you may have some pre-recorded videos that you've done on YouTube that are only for their eyes only, or you can record specific videos for that specific thing that they actually need to be doing. Doesn't take much of your time. And what you're actually doing there is you're building a library of videos that you can then send to your clients when they are doing something specific. Because, hey, let's face it, majority of our clients are doing similar things incorrectly. We know that. There's maybe 6 at maximum things that your clients will actually do incorrectly that are all very, very similar. So a good approach is to actually have a library of content that you can actually send your client that's applicable to what they actually need to be focusing on. Then they can take that video with them to the range or to their sports field, pull it up on their phone, look at what they need to do, and then you'll have drills set in place for them, action steps set in place for them for what they need to do in improving that particular part of their technique. So maybe initially this might take a little bit of time for you to put in place, but you'll have a library of content in place for you so that you can then send out that information to your client who needs that video that particular drill that they need to see, or a series of videos that they actually need to be seeing in following the step-by-step process. Yeah, sure, it might take a little bit of extra time to put those together, but then you'll have that library of content in place. By this, you have then seen what they need to do. You have had your eyes on their technique, and then what you do moving forward is you send them the information, i.e., the videos that they actually need to have, so that they can then get to work on improving that specific part of their technique. Now, this is a way that you can then add another area to your business where you're working smarter, not harder. Because after all, this is the profitable sports coach, but also we don't want to feel burnout. We don't want to have to do those extra hours. We don't want those extra hours on our feet where our feet are absolutely fatigued at the end of the day. Our brains are fried because we've been on performance mode the whole time, helping clients work through what they need to work through, engaging all the time. We don't have a sore back, and we don't have that physical fatigue that we encounter every day after being out on the sports field coaching our clients. But what if you're able to put together a remote performance membership? And this remote performance membership is where you guarantee 5-minute video audits a week. You could probably handle up to 50 students in just a few hours per week, which therefore you could increase your revenue by thousands, and you haven't even broken a sweat. Now, that's a business. The other way that you're operating, hands-on, hour by hour, is just a job. Now, if you could charge something like $200 per month per client, and you're offering 5-minute audit each week with guaranteed information, with video content in what they need to do to keep working on improving their performance in their skills. And if you had, say, 50 clients, that's an extra $10,000 per month that you could be adding to your income. And believe me, I know this is scary to stop doing the hands-on process. Coming soon, if you want to see how to set up so that you can stop trading your life for hourly rates, I will be hosting a workshop for you if you are ready to change. I will leave the description and link in the notes for you on how you can access that information and that video workshop. Let's change the hands-on approach. Let's create a remote performance membership. And remember this, always lead with intention and coach with clarity and care. Take care. Talk soon. Bye for now.